by Argyle Cyrus Gaducos. Presidential spokesperson Harry Roque appealed to the International Criminal Court, ICC, to not allow itself to be used by critics of the Duterte administration. Roque represented the Philippines at the general debate of the 16th Assembly of States Parties to the Rome Statute of the ICC held at the United Nations, UN, headquarters in New York Friday before dawn, Manila time. Presidential spokesman Harry Roque gestures during a news conference in Manila, November 28, 2017, Czar Dancel/Manila Bulletin. In a statement, Roque said the Philippines is doing its best to address the issues of illegal drugs, criminality and terrorism in the country, and that individuals, without naming any of them, are only out to destabilize the government through the ICC. We urge the court to resist attempts by some sectors to treat the court as a venue to pursue political agenda to destabilize governments and undermine legitimate national authorities. It is indeed actions like these that politicize and dilute the court's mandate, which ultimately undermine national efforts to punish and prosecute crimes covered by the statute and derail current efforts to achieve universality of the Rome Statute, Roque said. Roque was referring to the Rome Statute, which states that the ICC can only investigate and prosecute international crimes such as genocide, crimes against humanity, war crimes, and the crime of aggression, if states are unwilling to do so themselves. Roque said the Philippines will remain committed to the Rome Statute, but, if pushed, the country may have to reassess its membership to the court. We trust that the court's exercise of its mandate will respect national processes geared towards exacting criminal accountability for conduct committed within our territory, Roque said. A violation of the very basis for our consent, which is complementarity, will constrain us to reassess our continuing commitment to the court and the Rome Statute, he continued. According to Roque, the intervention of the ICC in the affairs of the country should come as a last resort, as he assured that the Philippines is attending to the matters. In reaffirming our commitment to the Rome Statute and the court, we are also reminded that the court is a court of last resort, he said. Roque described the ICC as a court envisioned to have a complementary, not primary, jurisdiction for the prosecution of persons most responsible for the 4 international crimes mentioned under the Rome Statute. The Rome Statute requires the court and other bodies to respect and defer to the primary criminal jurisdiction of such state party, unless it can be shown that the state party is unwilling or unable to investigate and prosecute such crimes, he said. President Rodrigo Duterte first threatened to withdraw the Philippines from the ICC on November 2016. In April this year, lawyer Jude Sabio filed a complaint against the president before the ICC for alleged mass murder, citing the killings of at least 1,400 people by the alleged Davao Death Squad, DDS, when Duterte was still mayor of Davao City. Tags: Harry Roque, International Crimes, International Criminal Court, Manila Bulletin, Philippines, Rodrigo Duterte, Rome Statute.